Hello everybody. I find myself in the situation, the not unusual situation in my case, of having to explain one of my jokes. Now we all know that when you explain a joke, it's not funny anymore. And there's a saying which says that trying to explain humour is like dissecting a frog. Nobody laughs and the frog dies. So I keep saying to everyone, can you see Hitchcock? But answer comes there none. So, can you see him yet? No? Well, the clue is it's in the negative space. Now the negative space occurs when two positive spaces, two subjects, come together. So a classic would be two swans, they swim up to each other, and there we are, you can see a heart between them. So if we take this profile of Hitchcock and go like this, all is revealed. There we are. Now, what's nice is Hitchcock always used to make a cameo appearance in his films, and now Hitchcock is making a cameo appearance in his film poster.